Are you tired of manually updating your spreadsheets and generating content? Imagine a world where data entry and content creation happen seamlessly. Welcome to the future with Make.com. Managing data in spreadsheets can quickly become overwhelming, especially when it requires creative responses or detailed summaries. This inefficiency can drain your productivity and stifle creativity, leaving you stuck in a routine. Make.com automates your workflow by monitoring Google Sheets for new entries. When a row is added, it triggers OpenAI's ChatGPT for detailed text completion, then pastes the response back in Sheets. Enhance your process with this seamless integration. Automation with Make.com transforms how you handle data and content generation. Don't waste time on repetitive tasks. Embrace automation and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Ready to try it out? Head over to Make.com and explore how automation can elevate your productivity.